the pain suddenly stopped. And that's when nurses get worried. Pain going away is not always good news. In some medical conditions, sudden pain relief can mean the problem is getting worse. In infections, internal bleeding, bowel emergencies, or nerve damage, pain may stop when tissues lose oxygen or nerves stop sending signals. This can happen just before serious complications like rupture, shock, or collapse. Nurses don't relax just because the pain is gone. They assess vital signs, skin color, sweating, mental alertness, and behavior. Sudden calm after severe pain, confusion, weakness, or unstable vitals are red flags. This is why nurses never ignore pain that suddenly disappears. If pain stops without treatment or explanation, seek medical help immediately. Save this for awareness and follow to learn what nurses never ignore.